How to redeem Just Eat gift card. Hello everybody, you may follow up this step in order to do so. So head over to browser and type in Just Eat in the search bar and then hit search. And once you do that, you'll be finding some links on your screen. You may head over to justeat.co.uk. So go ahead and tap on the first link. And then once you tap on the link, you will be finding this interface. Now what you need to do is you need to sign in into your account, and once you are signed in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left right corner of your screen. And after tapping on it, you will be given these options. Now from the given options, all you gotta do is locate up the option called redeem a gift card. So go ahead and locate it up and tap on that option. And once you go ahead and do that, all you gotta do is, if you have a code, a gift card code, all you gotta do is enter up code in this enter code section. Here, after going ahead and entering up there, you should be finding an option called redeem code. Go ahead and tap on that option, and once you do, you should be able to redeem the card from Just Eat. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to go ahead and redeem gift card from Just Eat. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.